Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, the AVAX chart has not really given us any strong indication that the current pullback or correction is over. In that sense, the previous analysis is still very much relevant. The support area is defined. It seems like AVAX isn't finished yet with its correction. We haven't taken out the previous swing low that was formed on the 19th of April. That was printed here at around $32. That would be crucial as further confirmation that indeed a correction is still unfolding and that we get one more low in wave 5. But it's already from an objective point of view quite likely that at least one more low is forming because the chart has just not shown us enough upside momentum. The price has been rejected from resistance, as you can see here, which we talked about in the previous video, exactly in wave 4 resistance actually. And this looks like an ABC structure to me, in which the price actually might be moving down in an impulse. And the fifth wave could trigger the next Fibonacci support level there at around $24. That's quite far away, so it might not get there. There are certain additional levels that we can use. For example, we can use the length of the wave 1. Then we go to the top of the wave 4. That gives us a first level to watch. And typically the 100% extension, that's not really much lower than the previous one. That's $29.44. So probably not the best way of measuring. Another way of measuring is, and there are just different legitimate ways of calculating, a target for a fifth wave. The next way is to measure the length of waves 1 and 3. And we are looking for the 61.8 extension, maybe even if it's extended to the 78.6. And then we come into the region between $25.90 and $23. They are not reliable targets, but they are best we've got at the moment in this correction here. That's very close to the previous swing low of the wave 4. So really anywhere below the third wave low that was formed on the 13th of April would be acceptable. Now at this time, the price could still turn around. From here we have 3 waves up, absolutely. But if we rally from here, then it might just morph into a larger corrective pattern. For example, a B wave. Maybe if something more bullish emerges, then it's already the next wave up. But then I need to see a 5-wave pattern to the upside. We are far away from that. So that would require additional proof, additional evidence. For now, I see this here as a still unfolding wave 2 correction or B wave. They are the same basically. Okay, I wouldn't even worry about the difference between a wave 2 and a B wave currently. What we need to deal with is the question if a local low has formed, or let's say a more substantial low or not. And for now, there is no evidence that it has. So basically, keep it very simple. A break below the 19th of April low, which was here at $32, that would already increase probabilities that the fifth wave has started to unfold, targeting this area. The resistance area was communicated. And from here, yeah, we could get that fifth wave. That could be the last one, though. That could be the last one. It would need to be further confirmed with a break below that low at $29.50. Yeah, that would be a confirmation level to be taken out. And from there, if a first impulse starts, that might be then the start of the next larger rally to the upside. If we break up above the last high, which was formed here on Wednesday at around $40, it would shift probabilities towards the larger B wave as highlighted here in purple. This scenario would be an ABC pattern, and the first 3 waves up would be an A wave. This would be a B wave pullback, and then we could get a C wave rally. This is just another possibility that could unfold, but only if that last high is taken out. Oh, just try to find the right color tone actually. Yeah. So that's sort of what we're dealing with. Back-to-back corrective price action at the moment. Very, very boring. But it is what it is sometimes in the market. We haven't had that for a long time. This entire rally between October and December, January, actually March, was very interesting. Now we are in a larger correction, which is more substantial than what we had here between end of December and end of January. So this entire distance, needs to be corrected now. And that can happen in one go, as shown here in white, or in a more extended correction, as shown in purple. In both scenarios, the yellow support zone is relevant and is defined between $13.40 and $30.48. At the moment, there's no way to say when this correction will end, but there's the next chance after one more low. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.